Yo, what is up, guys? It's Motovlog day. Finally, I fixed the camera. It was a bad SD card, so put a different one in it. I don't have dual angles today because my mount broke. I think I said that in the last video. But my mount broke, but hey, one angle in a Motovlog is better than no angle and no Motovlog, you know? I haven't ridden in a while, actually. The last time I rode was I was going up the canyon to do some aggressive riding. I ended up riding really aggressively because I was mad, you know. Everybody's always telling me to ride more aggressively, so, you know. But let me tell you, it's been quite the week, let me tell you. It hasn't been an easy week by any means, as I literally almost got hit by that truck back there. Right now, my grandma's in the hospital. We had to take her to the hospital. Oh, my mom took her to the hospital last night. She's all right. She's got bronchitis. I think there's like an old meme that I'm trying to remember that has to do with that. Isn't it some lady that's like, I got bronchitis. Ain't nobody got time for that. Yeah, well, she's got that. And spoilers, I think, what's his name in Red Dead Redemption gets that too. Spoiler alert. What the fuck? Didn't school already get out? What are these people doing, bro? I went through the car show a little bit. It was this week. I didn't have my cameras on me or nothing. But I did go through it because it was the last one of the year. And, you know, I wanted to go through it a little bit. What else? Oh, my brother, my middle brother, I know you're watching. So, happy birthday. He had his 21st birthday. And since he was 21, we decided, well, he decided, we didn't decide shit. He decided that he wanted to go up to Central City and gamble. So we rode up there. I don't think I have any footage from riding up there. I kind of just rode to ride. So I don't have any footage from up there, but I think I have footage of Stone. He's still mad at me because he's a fucking baby, dude. I made him play a slot machine, and the minimum was a $5 bet. So he put in a 10 and he was only able to spin it twice. So I have those clips I'll put in.
Hit the play button and see what happens. Damn, you got nothing. Oh, thank God. Let's go. Easy clap.
And I have a couple pictures that I can throw up while I'm talking, I think. Not many. I think I have like one. But I was playing blackjack. And I turned $20 into $30. I think the most at one point I was up to, go ahead, get over. I was up to $38, but you know, the old gambling, you gotta spend money to make money, and I walked out with nothing, dude. Fucking nothing, dude. It is what it is. And as you can tell by my jacket here, fall is officially like here. It's freezing cold at night. That FedEx guy had some nuts on him. It's starting to get freezing cold at night. I'm still haven't decided what I'm gonna do for like motovlogs, because I can't really, you know, if we have snow on the road, you know, I can't really make motovlogs, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I did just post a new video actually on my Pokemon channel.
It's got a little Pokeball in his mouth. Murkrow. The reverse is a single strike mustard, and our rare is
my friend gave me some packs to open. And I opened them, and I actually may or may not have gotten a decent card. Oh God, we're slowing down kind of quick here. I may or may not have gotten a decent card. So go watch that. Dylan6563 pulls. I probably will be changing the name soon. To what, I do not know. But I will probably be changing it very soon. I just haven't decided what's good, you know what I mean? Like, what seems good for Pokemon? And I hope the camera can see okay. It's not night yet, but it's starting to get that time of night where it's like, my camera kind of sucks cock. Can I make it? Yeah, I can. Kind of sad. I was so excited about having a new angle, but if it doesn't snow, I'm buying a metal one. Actually, a red metal one that'll match my motorcycle, so that'll be kind of cool. Still doing construction. Oh, there's a nice guy on a bike. Well, I don't know if he's a nice fucking guy. I don't know why I said that. He could be a fucking asshole. I don't know. That was a nice Harley. I think that's one of the new ones, I think. Hi, dog. It's one of the, like, only dogs to not bark at me. Usually dogs bark at me for some reason, and I don't know why. It's actually supposed to be nice all week, so I might go out and film some extra motovlogs. Because the day you see this, it's going to be, I'm going to upload it the exact same day. So the day I'm filming is the day I'm going to upload. I'm literally going home to edit. So I need to go to the car wash. Please give me an arrow. Can I have an arrow? Or please? I asked nicely. And they didn't give it to me. Fuck you. I'm not in a good mood today. You can wait for me. Is that mean? Maybe that's mean. Halloween's coming up. I actually don't know what today is. It's October something. But Halloween's coming up. Me and Stone were thinking about dressing up and riding around on the bikes. And if we dressed up as something funny or cool, I would try to motovlog it and see if we could get any funny reactions or something. Okay, why are we going 10 miles an hour? So I think that could be kind of funny. Okay. Whoa, look at that truck. It's like he's on a center stand, like a scooter or something. Oh my God, you have no idea how much I miss my scooter. That thing was so much fun. Scooters are fun, man. I'm hoping by next spring I can have either like a Grom or like a little 50cc scooter or something to go fuck around on. Woo! Almost lost my footing. On a mini bike so bad. So bad. If there's no cars in front of me when I get onto this on-ramp, I'll go kind of fast. You know, I'll do a little acceleration. But there's usually always cars in front of me, so I doubt it. Oh, we got a rig trying to go through here. Is he gonna make it? Yeah, he made it. I think. You know how stressful it probably is to be like a rig driver? Like, holy shit. You know another thing? I'm really hoping that my battery doesn't fall out of this, because I don't have the back to my battery. There's another bike right there. CBR something. Looks like a 250 or something. I'm going, fuck you. Alright, what's going on here? Why are we going so fucking slow? We are literally going 10 miles an hour. Oh, good, this person's getting off. Maybe this Acura will too. I doubt it, but maybe. No, they didn't. Alright, I'm gonna let them get ahead a little bit. Alright, boys. You ready? 20 to 60, here we go. That was more to like 90, but we'll call it okay, huh? Oh, are you kidding me? What is this shit? Oh, God. Wait, why does this guy have his blinker on? Why does this... What's going on? What is happening? What the fuck is he doing? Do y'all see this motherfucker? Ooh, there's a cop right there. Hello. Ooh, he looked right at me. Dude, what the fuck is this Toyota Corolla doing, bro? I kind of want to go drive a little aggressively again. Should I get on the highway? I might go get on the highway. I can't tell if this is like a grandma or not in front of me. Like, I literally can't tell. Dude, this is ridiculous. Your boy's about a fucking lane split if this motherfucker doesn't hurry up. Alright, you know what? Let's go the back way to get on the highway. Let's go, fuck it. I got a little bit of gas. Let's go rip on the highway. I'm gonna cut the video here so I can save storage and battery. Have I told you guys how much I hate this train yet? I don't know if I've told you because I was just itching my lip, but I hate this fucking train with a passion. I can't tell if there's any cops behind me or not. Oh, it's almost my turn. I really can't tell if there's cops behind me. I hope my GoPro is still on. I'm gonna check you guys. Yeah, you are. I slammed my helmet kind of hard right there. I didn't mean to, but I had forgotten to, I forgot to close my visor. Let's hope there's not too much traffic so I can, you know, open it up a little bit. But I am getting off at this first exit. You guys ready? Little throttle. Oh, hang on, we're slowing down up here. Oh, hell no. Are we hitting traffic? I need to get out of the way of this U-Haul. I'll let the U-Haul get in front of me. Great, I think we're hitting traffic. Yeah, go ahead, U-Haul. Are you kidding me? Listen, the exact time I wanted to do this last time, going up the canyon, I was in gnarly traffic. Oh yeah, we're slowing down hella quick, dude. Can I just like, man, I cannot catch a break, and that is not a joke, dude. I literally cannot catch a break. And I can't get out of this lane because my exit is right up here. Ooh, there's something going on down there. I can see, you guys aren't gonna be able to see it because this camera was made in 2002. But there's cop lights way over there, and there's so much traffic. So I will gladly get off this fucking road. Here, little throttle. There you go. I'll open the visor, maybe you can hear better. Ready? Running high RPMs, huh? Oh my god. See, imagine I had like an electric dirt bike or something. Just drive off into that. You know? Oh, that'd be so much fun. God, that'd be so much fun. Wouldn't it be? Yes, it would be. I'll answer the question for you. So, is there like any... Leave in the comments, for the few people that comment, Stone, Josh Libra, my brother. What should I do during the winter? Damn, she's bad as fuck. I mean, let me, you know, what should I do during the summer? Hold on, is this chick bad? Yes, she is. What should I do during winter? Because I really, honest to God, have no idea. I'm gonna film a review of these helmets soon. I'm just kind of letting them make it through the season a little bit, so I can give like a full season with them review, and I can give you my opinions on them. Because I bought the two top selling ones on Amazon, or the most popular. So I want to do a video on it. Which I will very soon. I know those people. That's my brother's friend. Wow, that's kind of... It's actually weird timing, actually. That's my brother's friend's dad and my brother's best friend's little brother. Yeah, that's it, right? Yeah. Alright, let's hope there's no cops on this road. Maybe we'll speed a little bit, huh? I know there's a park ranger down here. He's actually right there. Park rangers can't do anything, right? I actually don't know. I imagine they can't. Because those are the motherfuckers that are just like, can I see your fishing license? Type shit, you know what I'm saying? Cruise it up and down the road. Let's see if we can lean this little turn here. That was almost 100 miles an hour. Cruise it up and down the road. I got Alan Jackson stuck in my head. Nobody cares, yo, but listen. Alan Jackson, probably my favorite country artist. Like, no lies. I love Alan Jackson, dude. Like, gee, he's so good, bro. So good. This 4Runner is actually kind of going fast, which is nice of him. But I always kind of feel like an asshole. Like, do they feel entitled to go fast because I'm behind them, or who knows? It was a biker. Woo! I'm gonna check on you guys. Still good. You boys ready? Here we go. Little pull. Just, you know, a little 100 right there. You know, no big deal. That's so much fun. That is so much fun. I really should have downshifted right there, but I don't really care. Alright, this video's ought to be long enough for a moto vlog, so I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna rev underneath this bridge for you guys. Is that an asshole move of me? Because to be honest, I don't give a fuck. You guys ready? Oh, never mind. That truck right there was literally a state trooper. Literally a state trooper. So, never mind. I'm not gonna rev it, but I am gonna go home. I'm almost here. I hope you guys enjoyed. I kind of fixed the camera. Ugh. My throat's a little scratchy, so I'm gagging when I'm yelling like this. But I never know how loud I have to talk, because you know how much wind. But I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna end it right here. Grandma, get better soon. She should be home either today or tomorrow, hopefully. She's only been in there at night. But anyway, go check out my other channel, Dylan6563 Pulls. Yeah, and if you liked, please leave a like, subscribe, doggy. If you please leave a like, subscribe, share with a friend, and I will see you in the next one.